You see this box of buttons? It's soon to become a backsplash. First I sorted them into colors. About a third of these buttons are unusable. They're just too small. My hands are silver because I was working on this table, which I do not like how it's turning out, so that'll be a future update. Yeah, that's the green I want. That is not the right green. Spent all this time sorting these buttons and I'm just gonna spray paint them anyway. The other thing I'm going to do is not spray paint them on the top side because I feel like stuff would get in there, so I'm going to spray paint them on the back. Sometimes I wonder what crafters did when we just didn't have this readily supply of cardboard. It's actually kind of sad. I'm taking all away the prettiness from these buttons. All I have left is the yellow buttons, and here's the problem with the yellow buttons. I just love all the cool yellow things that we have. Like, if I spray paint it this yellow, they won't be cool anymore. Maybe I should go buy a bag of just yellow buttons, or just own up to the fact that I'm going to use all 4 bags of these buttons. I really wanted to save some money and not use them all, but if I got all of the cool yellow buttons, I might have enough yellow, maybe not. I'm just gonna let these dry. Then I'm going to do a small patch to see how I like it, and then we'll see how it turns out. Follow my page to see more.